How to hide and show ribbon bar in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Word document, Microsoft Word document, and then this section right here, this top navigation bar is called your ribbon. Now if you want to remove your ribbon or hide a ribbon, what you will have to do is right click anywhere on your ribbon, and then you will get an option of collapse the ribbon, and done. As you can see, your ribbon is now hidden. Now if you want to unhide it or show your ribbon, go to home, right click on any part of your ribbon, and then uncheck this collapse the ribbon button. You can also do it from Control plus F1 button, hide and unhide both. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.